Good morning, scholars. Welcome back to the channel. This morning we're looking at types of triangles. So we're introducing the triangle. And there are several types. So I'm going to read the definition and explain as we go along. And then we're going to do an activity where we're going to identify what type of triangle we're dealing with. Alright, so listen to the definitions carefully, so that when it's time to do the activity, we can quickly identify which triangle we're talking about. So let's just revise the definition of a triangle. A triangle is a polygon, and if you don't know what polygon means, there was a video done specifically on polygons, so you can check out that video and bring yourself up to speed with where we are right now. So a triangle is a polygon that has 3 sides and 3 angles. The 3 angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Alright, so actually the triangle is the first kind of polygon. A polygon is a many-sided figure, many angles, many sides. So the lowest number of sides and angles that a polygon can have is 3. Because the polygon has to be enclosed, right? So remember, if you just have 2 lines, it can't be closed. So the triangle is the first polygon. It has 3 sides, 3 angles. The angles, all 3 angles in the triangle must add up to 180 degrees. Angles are measured in degrees, right? And this little circle at the right top of the number tells you this is the degree we're talking about, the measurement of the space that is formed between the 2 lines. That's an angle, it's measured in degrees. So let's look at the basic types of triangles. We have a right angled triangle. The right angled triangle has a 90-degree angle. So here, usually when the right angled triangle is drawn, they don't write 90 degrees. What they do is they put this little box in the corner to indicate to you that this is our right angle. And you should know, as a mathematician, as a scholar of mathematics, you should know this is a 90-degree angle. Wherever you see this, it's indicating that it's a right angle. Now these are perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines meet at right angle. We have a vertical line and a horizontal line. And it does not matter the orientation. By orientation, I mean the triangle doesn't have to be turning this way, right? We could have it looking like that. We could have it looking like that. We could have it looking like that. We could have it twisted all over the place, right?